table dancing, thinking I should take you home and let your mans pay the ransom. Light a candle for them haters. We about to kill them, by to empty all the bottles, all the cups, we about to fill them.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy jkoolii back with another video. Today's video will be my review of the 2016 Dodge Charger RT. I'll start off with the rims. Got 20-inch alloy wheels, 5-spoke, curved ceramic brakes. I believe this color is white knuckle. Don't quote me. We do have tints on it. And we do have tinted taillights. This was the updated fascia from the 14 models. It's updated in 15. It's like a black inner with halo lights. And for the RT models, there's 3 LED lights on each side for fog lights. And the updated hood. It's kind of just a flat hood. Classic RT badging. They do have blind spot monitoring, but this model doesn't come equipped with that. Got the lock button right here, and unlock. You just put your hand there. There's 245 wide tires all around. I think you could probably push it to 255. It's probably not gonna do much, but you have the RT badging in silver here. Charger on this side. The power stand in the middle. The connecting headlight all the way around, LED. And we do have the Lux Auto concept. Tints. Taillight tint. This is the updated spoiler. Things that you will find different from this model from the 2019 RTs is they basically waterfalled all of the Hellcat parts or Scat Pack parts onto the RT. So this would be a Scat Pack spoiler. This bumper would have an airway right here. It wouldn't have these dual. It would be dual, but it wouldn't be like an insert cutout. It would be connected from the pipes. Of course, they would have a lightweight 245 wheels, the black ones, or they would have these painted black. I kind of prefer the white on white look. Of course, the front hood would look like basically the Scat Pack hood, and it wouldn't have these 3 LEDs. It would just be one circular fog light at the bottom, same lights, different grill, and of course the hood would have the single insert in the middle. This does have a muffler delete. Took off the rear mufflers closest to the outlet. It's not really that cold, but I'll give it a cold start. does come with the Beats audio system. Controls for windows, locking, all that good stuff. Got a vent right here. Vent here, just connects to this. Lights, inside lighting controls. Put this back on. Most people don't realize, I see a lot of people driving around at night with newer cars. Just put it in auto and your lights will be on. People think their headlights are on, so they think their tail lights are on. And their tail lights are off. It's fucking irritating. Put your shit on auto. Got my 60 on the dash. I think the top speed of this is about 155. Probably get the 160 down here. I think the rev limiter is at 6100. Don't quote me. Turn it all the way off. Startup screen. Yeah, I need some gas. I'm at 61 degrees outside. To scroll through the menus, up down. Yeah, I don't use that, but whatever. Got the car and stuff. Dodge here. The wrap steering wheel. 10 and 12 notches. Circular bottom. So I'm gonna go through this. Speedometer. Shifters, just like a half shifter. The bottom one's like the radio controls, volume up, way down, train station, stuff like that. It's one on both sides. Start, stop button. Independence, yield. Instrument cluster. It's not too much on here. All you got is a sport button. The only difference that I see between this and whatever mode and sport is like in sport it's a lot quicker shifts and it's a lot harder shifts. Like you can feel the shift change, like you feel the transmission change. When you're in regular mode and you punch it, it's like a long held out. You know, a shift isn't that hard. It's kind of like a 2014 5.7. But when we put it in sport, it kind of simulates closer to like a scat pack. I don't know if you guys ever put it in sport, rode a scat pack, mashed it. It's like a slower scat pack, basically. It's like the shifts are hard, they're quick, loud. But yeah, roaming around with the muffler deletes in sport, it does get a little drony, like not like annoyingly drony, but it's slightly drony. But if you take it off sport with a muffler delete, you can cruise. It's gonna be like a V6 until you punch it. So just keep that in mind. Yes, you can do a burnout in here. It ain't that epic, but it's possible. This is the Uconnect system. It doesn't have Apple CarPlay 2016. That started in 2017. That's one thing I don't like about this car. But yeah, got some media, seat controls. This one only has heated seats. As you can see, it's cloth. There's no marking. It's kind of dirty too. Side pouches, cup holder spots right here. Got air. There's a lot of room, whatever. Back seat. It's pretty spacious. Good visibility. No blind spot really. Well, kind of the seat back like this, but if this seat was up, you could see perfectly. Good visibility out the back. There's no sunroof in here. That's about it for the inside. View of the inside of the back. Oh, it's kind of junky. Cloth seats. Do have a 60-40 split for the trunk and cup holders and 2 USB outlets and 2 vents. So got the trunk space. Down right here. Flap, lift up. As you can see, fit a lot of bullshit in here. Got the Beats audio system in here. LED, both sides. And there is an under compartment under all this bullshit. Y'all get the point.
And we say bye-bye.